Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. As you can hear, my voice is not back, but I'm feeling alright, so that is really weird. If you're watching in recording, of course, you can fast forward 5 minutes to the beginning of the practice or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Alice. Good morning, Maria. Good morning, Michael. Good morning, Joey. Good morning, John. Yes, Joey, thank you for asking. I still feel fine. Like, besides my voice, I feel totally fine. So, I don't know, it must be something viral, but um, other than losing the voice, I'm not coughing, I'm not congested, like, everything is fine. Good morning, Gina. All right, it is time for us to start. And before we start our practice, I want to invite you to dedicate the energy from our practice to Eva's dad. Eva, one of our teachers, Eva Gonzalez. So her dad in Spain is apparently he has some blood clots in his brain, I guess, because they're gonna do a surgery on his brain tonight at 2 a.m. Well, it's gonna be Wednesday already at 2 a.m. So if you can send your energy or prayers or whatever it is you do, whatever your practice is, and we're gonna send the energy from this practice to him, and his name is Pedro Gonzalez. So Eva actually went to Spain to be with him for his surgery and for the recovery. So let's hope that everything will go well and the recovery will be quick. So today we will start exploring humility, another guideline in the how we think category. And some might think that humility means being less than others, um, kind of, very second class type of thing. But actually, it's none of these. Humility means that you are stepping out of this rat race of self glorification. You're not trying to build up your ego. You're not trying to impress people. You're not trying to compete with others for status. What a relief it is, isn't it? The root of the word humble means ground, earth. So to be humble is to be grounded, which naturally leads to a more calm, present state of mind. When we're truly rooted in the present moment, not only do we feel more grounded in our own selves, but also grounded in our connection to others. When we're humble, we feel less compelled to control everything or to prove ourselves to others, which makes it easier to settle down inside, to have more inner peace, and to connect. Tara Brach says, in Buddhism and most faiths, humility, feeling that we all share common ground, feeling neither superior or inferior to others, is both a prerequisite to awakening and an expression of mature spirituality. So humility is feeling that we all share common ground and we're neither superior or inferior to others. So today our practice will be to ground, to feel our connection with the earth, with each other, and with all there is. As always, take a comfortable position and take a few moments to acknowledge all the circumstances of your practice, both internal and external. With every breath in and out, connect the inner and the outer. Allow the boundary between the inside and the outside to dissolve. And let your breath be easy, soft, comfortable, uncontrolled. And let this easy breath be your invitation to release, to soften, to find effortlessness in your body, your mind, and your heart. Bring your attention to the crown of your head and simply feel the sensations there. I'm going to guide you through the body scan right now, naming different body parts. You don't have to do anything special. Simply bring your awareness to that area and see what happens. So now your awareness is at your crown. Notice the sensations there. Your forehead, eyes, nose, without changing anything. Notice if it's easier for you to breathe through your right nostril or your left one, or maybe both are equally open. Now bring your attention to your cheeks, your mouth, tongue, jaw, your ears, and the space between them, the back of your head, your neck and throat. Allow your breaths to be easy, comfortable, grounding. Feel your right arm from shoulder to hand, your left arm from shoulder to hand, your heart, solar plexus, belly, upper back, middle back, low back. Feel your whole torso, breathing in and out with each exhale, grounding a little bit more. Now bring your attention to your pelvis, your right leg from hip to toes, your left leg from hip to toes. And now feel your entire body as one radiant sensation, one field of energy, and allow your breath to be easy, soft, grounding. Every exhale an opportunity to soften, to let go, to connect with the earth a little bit more. If it helps, maybe you can even imagine growing roots into the earth, reminding yourself viscerally of the earth's support that is always available for you. And if you are imagining roots into the earth, then visualize how your roots are connecting you to everybody here who is doing this practice together right now, or maybe later in the day. All the people in this mindful morning space. Now imagine your roots connecting you to all the people in your life. People in your immediate circle, your family, friends, people who you know in different ways, and people you may not know. In fact, imagine your roots connecting to the roots of all beings in your life. Because really, humility is sharing common ground with all sentient beings, all living beings, without exception. You're not superior than any of them. You're not inferior to any of them. We all share common ground, all connected, all worthy of happiness, health, peace. So let's complete our practice today by sending loving kindness, mantra, and energy to all living beings that we humbly share the ground with. May all living beings be filled with loving kindness. May all living beings be well in body and mind. May all living beings be happy, healthy, and at ease. May all living beings touch deep, natural peace. As you go through your day today, I invite you to use this body scan, this tool of humble grounding, whenever you notice that you are tensing, tightening, closing in, forgetting your connection with everything in life. So you can just do a quick body scan, or you can just imagine your roots connecting with the roots of everybody else on this planet. Remind yourself that you are sharing ground with all living beings, and see if it opens up some space for you in which any experience, physical, emotional, mental, can be held effortlessly. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.